नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मानवी से और वो कह रहे हैं कि मैंने कुछ फाइल्स डिलीट कर दी हैं गलती से. आई एम श्योर यू कैन हेल्प मी बिकॉज यू कैन हेल्प मी एटलीस्ट बेटर देन गूगल, जो हमको सिर्फ कंफ्यूज ही करता रहता है and doesn't really get us the right information. Manvi, you're totally right. I am better than Google, and Manvi, you're totally right. I will not confuse you. तो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ many different ways Stellar के साथ एक बहुत ही interesting data recovery है, but I have to also tell you कि there are levels of data recovery. आपने उसको सिर्फ delete किया है कि आपने कुछ wipe out भी किया है. You know, there are major differences between losing a file, deleting a file, wiping a file, or malfunction and error into a hard drive or even a solid state drive. So there are differences in what will happen. I know कि बहुत important files हैं and people don't have knowledge, और बहुत सारी ऐसी companies हैं all over in these IT hubs like Delhi में Nehru Place and other places, यहाँ पे people charge an incredible amount of money like just to retrieve even a single file because they know it's very important. मेरे एक दोस्त है, he's a author of a book, उनकी almost 23 days of writing जो है, he had the rest of it because he saves it by chapter by chapter by chapter, but 23 days के उन्होंने 3 chapter लिखे थे, वो उड़ गए उनके hard drive से. उन्होंने किया कि क्या किया, and because they realized that it's a very important file, it's a famous author and these are the chapters, 23 दिन का काम है उनका, they gave him a price point that was criminal. मतलब मैं बताऊंगा नहीं आपको, but think in lakhs. But I think आपकी काफ़ी simple problem है, and here is how you can recover.
Hey, hi Manvi, thanks for writing into Answered by Rajiv Makni. And of course, deleting data by mistake, big problem. And trust me, बहुत कम ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो इस चीज़ होंगे. मेरे साथ आज तक नहीं हुआ है. आप डेटा का जितना चाहे बैकअप ले सकते हो, बट व्हाट डू यू डू विद डेटा जो एकदम से आपने एक्वायर किया है. फॉर एग्जांपल एक कार्ड जो आपने एकदम से शूट किया हो, एक फाइल जो आपने जस्ट अभी टाइप करके ख़त्म करी हो. ऑल्सो आज के शो में थोड़ा सा मॉरल डिबेट भी होगा, मॉरल लेसन नॉट डिबेट. डिफरेंस बिटवीन मिस्टेक and a sin. To show you the difference between a mistake and a sin, the next shot that you see, you'll see my laptop का एक static shot मैं बना के रखूँगा. मैं ये पेन ड्राइव जिसमें मेरा खुद का डेटा है, मेरा खुद का एक वीडियो है, मैं इस मामले में I'm a big narcissist and I will delete it. Then this card has actually footage from today's shoot of Rag, which is about to be aired today, and I haven't yet copied this data, so I will format this card, and अगर ये data recover नहीं हुआ, then I will have to run to Rag and ask him to reshoot. So let's start with the mistake first. The pen drive that has my personal data, plug it in, and as you can see, it has a video. Guys, welcome to Answered by Rajiv Makni. Thank you for writing in questions. जब आप ऐसे This is an 8-minute long video, as you can see, and now I'll just delete it. File deleted. It's not even in the end. Okay. Let's fire up the app. So this is Stellar Data Recovery Premium. To recover now, मुझे मालूम है मुझे क्या रिकवर करना है, but safe side I'm just going to select everything. But let's just go next. This is the pen drive जहाँ से मैंने डेटा डिलीट किया, and I will scan it. It scans it and it shows you क्या क्या डेटा रिकवर हो सकता है. And there you see I deleted my file olympusbt.mp4. So I'm just going to select that file here. दूसरी को deselect करके just select that file and click on recover. Select destination. Let me just select my C drive group में, select folder, start saving. Now that the file is done, let's check what we have. Guys, welcome to Answered by Rajiv Makni. Thank you for writing in questions. जब आप ऐसे creative and Mark also focuses, consider this stuff. This is the Olympus 1234. Now part 2 of the experiment, I am going to do something that is completely against every learning that I've ever had in media creation, film creation and whatnot. This card has footage that is supposed to go on air today, and I'm going to format it on purpose. That's how committed we are to the cause of Answered by Rajiv Makhni. So as you see, this is literally Rag's link that is supposed to go on air today, a 4-minute long clip, but I am going to go to my computer and format this card. Folder is empty. Let's load up the software again. So if your first scan doesn't give you any result, just check here. It says deep scan. So this is what works magic. So just click. Now that the scanning is done, let's try and see all data that is found. Moment of truth. First, let me find that data. So it was an MXF file जो मेरे से गलती से delete हो गया था. MX. Here is my data. I don't need this one. So I'm just going to select this one file and recover it. It will again ask where do I want to save it. I'll go back to the same location. Maybe this was lucky. Okay, so Manvi, as you saw for a moment, honestly, it was neck to neck. I was scared. ये data recover नहीं होता, तो no one beats you here at NDTV, but the taunts are to die for. I literally had Rag on standby to reshoot. He's literally here. Oh, by the way, you can leave now. We're done.
Thank you, sir.
I recovered the data. Thanks. So the lessons that I learned today, why did I go with the software instead of taking it physically to a place like, let's say, Nehru Place to recover data? Well, because people there were a little fishy. Stellar's service was better. It's a software. I could do it from the convenience of my office. Our office is convenient, so I could do it from the convenience of my office. Secondly, I did not have to haggle for price there. With Stellar, I knew that they would be giving me the best price options, and plus they keep on coming with these coupons and deals and whatever, so please check them out. I'm also trying to put in a link here. For that, you need to be live with us, so just download the app. And lastly, this stunt is one of the only stunts where I can, say it with confidence. Please do try this at home. I'll see you again on Answered by Rajiv Makhni.